What's up, guys? Welcome back to another quick but short video. Today is in between the week video kind of thing. Today I received a package with the Geo hand guards, the helmet for your hands, package on the mail from these guys right there. Bet this is what I won the other day. It's gotta be that the little pack thing for the bike. Let's go ahead and open this up real quick. So thank you Wolfman and Jeremiah of Wolftick Videos, Wolftick Nation, for this. I do use these things a lot. These came in on the mail today and I couldn't be happier. I know I'm gonna be using this thing a lot. These guys, everybody out there, you've probably been following them along. If you're following me, I'm pretty sure you're watching their videos as well. These guys are legit. Oh wow! I got a little note and a few stickers. The original Wolftick video sticker right there. El Capitan stickers. Thanks, man. El Capitan, hey, I got you a sticker, brother. And I got another original sticker along with this. Oh, this holographic Stay Rad sticker from them as well. And at the very bottom, maybe you can see it has their little original sticker logo kind of thing in there. So that's pretty cool. Thank you guys. And last but not least, of course, Berserker. Here you go, man. I got your sticker now. I'm gonna be using all these stickers soon. And a little note says, MTB Alex, hey brother, thank you for entering the competitions. Congratulations. Hope you get some usage out of this thing later, man. Oh, and I am enjoying a cup of coffee right now. Those the Mexican coffee that I sent them the other day, he's enjoying that. Later, your boys Jeremiah with his signature, and of course the Wolfman. Let's ride, says thank for being a part of the Wolftick Nation. It's a pleasure, guys. I follow you all the time. I guess we'll go back and forth since a long time now. Thank you for this wheel up. You know I'll be using these things on my bikes, and I am gonna take a good use of it. Thank you again. Let's ride. That's it for this one, guys. If you wanna if you wanna follow this channel, please subscribe to the notification bell on. Other than that, let's ride. See you on the trails. Goodbye. Again, thanks all the Wolftick Nation. Bye.